Hello guys, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Lookbook Shopping by Onlab. So this is my app's admin page. I'm going to open Lookbook Shopping and we're going to create our first lookbook. A lookbook is essentially a set of looks that have links to one or more products. First off, I'm going to choose an image for my look. Once I have my image, I can start linking products. Just click anywhere in the image and choose the product to link. You can link as many products as you want, there's no limit. Now I'm going to save it, and I can see the look I just created. I'm going to add another look. You can add as many looks as you need. I'm going to link a couple products. You can use the search box to find them faster. Once it's saved, I can publish my lookbook to a new page. Once published, you can go to Publish Preview. You can see the looks you've added and the hooks to the products. When you click on a hook, you'll be redirected to the product page. You can also edit the look and feel of your lookbooks. We're going to do that from the online store theme editor. Go to Online Store and click on Customize. Go to Theme Settings and you're going to see Lookbook Shopping. Change the settings and save to see the preview. You can change the color of the hook, the color of the product tag, the font color for the title and the price, and you can even use the custom icon instead of a plus sign. You can also enable a pulse animation. That was a quick tour of Lookbook Shopping by OnLab. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly from within the app.